Here's your market recap for Thursday, October 17th. Thursday is cattle auction day at the Mid-Missouri Stockyards in Phillipsburg. A couple of stickout sales there. 50 head of 535-pound steers at $289.5. 37 head of 652-pound heifers at $249.75. Up at the New Cambria Livestock Market, expecting about 800 head for Thursday. Some stickout sales there. 70 head of 679-pound steers at $289.25. 63 head of 832-pound steers, $252. 44 head of 735-pound steers, $260. 35 head of 836-pound steers at $255.25. Looking at the daily box beef cutout values, choice cuts valued for this afternoon at $319.26, up 13 cents. Select closed at $293.52, up 115. That's based off of 143 total loads, 98 of choice, 21 of select, 7 loads of trimmings, and 17 loads of grinds. That choice select spread at $25.74. Looking at the afternoon National Slaughter Cattle Review, thus far for Thursday in the Southern Plains, negotiated cash trade has been slow on moderate demand. Compared to last week in the Texas Panhandle, live FOB purchases one higher at 188 on a light test. Compared to last week in Kansas, last week live FOB purchases 1 to 2 higher at 188. In Nebraska and the Western Corn Belt, negotiated cash trade has been moderate on trade and demand. Last week in Nebraska, live purchases traded from 187 to 188. Compared to last week in Nebraska, the dress purchases were steady at 296. In the Western Corn Belt, live purchases steady to 1 lower at 187, with the dress purchases steady at 296 on a light test. Estimated daily livestock slaughter under federal inspection from Thursday. Estimate cattle receipts at 118,000, 3,000 more than last week, and 7,000 less than a year ago. The week today estimate, 488,000. Estimated hog receipts for Thursday, 486,000, 1,000 less than last week, and a year ago, the week today estimate, 1,932,000. Closing futures on the Chicago Board of Trade corn contracts. December up 2 cents at 406 3/4. March up 3/4 of a cent, 421 1/4. May steady at 428 3/4. November soybeans up 8 3/4 at 988 3/4. January up 4 cents at 998. March up 2 cents at 1009 3/4. December wheat up 4 1/2 at 589 1/2. March up 4 1/4 at 609 1/2. May up 4 1/2 at 420 1/2. On the Mercantile Exchange, live cattle. October down 42 cents at 186.62. December down 42 at 186.17. February steady at 186.97. Feeder cattle contracts, October up 62 cents at 246.72. November up 25 at 245.75. January down 22 at 243.12. Lean hogs, December down 2 cents at 77.67. February up 45 at 81.55. April up 7 at 85.12. Missouri cash grain bids paid to producers. Daily trends for Thursday, soybeans 9 to 11 higher, wheat 5 higher, corn 2 to 5 higher. Corn bids in St. Louis 405 to 407. Kansas City 362 to 367. Milo in St. Louis at 469. Soybeans in St. Louis 1007 to 1009. Kansas City 924 to 979. Wheat bids in St. Louis at $5 to $5.50. The drought monitor was released on Thursday, October 17th this morning. Showed Missouri at DO abnormally dry, 37.68%, D1 moderate drought at 21.30%, D2 severe drought 13.57%, D3 extreme drought at 4.5%. 22.95% of the state was not included on the current drought map. That is a market recap for Thursday, October 17th with the Missouri Department of Agriculture. This is Caroline Carter. Have a great day.